This is the story of Moses and the cicada. Each character in the tale is going to be represented by a different instrument of the orchestra. For instance, the cicada will be played by the flute, like this. The skink by the oboe. Moses by the clarinet. Mom by the bassoon. And Reed by the string quartet. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I shall begin. Late one afternoon, Reed opened the back door and went out into the big fenced backyard. On the back of the fence sat a little cicada, Reed's friend. "All is quiet," clicked the cicada gaily. Just then a skink came slithering around. She was glad that Reed had not emptied the water out of the litter box and decided to take a nice swim. Seeing the cicada, the little skink slithered down upon the grass, settled next to him, and shrugged his shoulders. "What kind of lizard are you if you can't shed your skin?" said he. To this the skink replied, "What kind of insect are you if you can't grow back your tail?" and dived into the litter box. They argued and argued, the skink swimming around in the litter box and the cicada crawling around on the side. Suddenly, something caught Reed's attention. It was Moses crawling through the grass. Moses thought, "That cicada is busy arguing. I'll just grab him." Stealthily, he crept towards him on his velvet paws. "Look out!" shouted Reed, and the cicada immediately flew up on the fence. While the skink squeaked at Moses from the middle of the litter box. Moses walked around the fence and thought, "Is it worth it climbing up so high? Especially since I know there are treats up in the cabinet." Just then, Mom came out. She was angry because Reed had loaded the dishwasher. "Hey, that's my new dishwasher. You break it and I'll break your face." But Reed paid no attention to his mom's words. Boys like Reed know how to load dishwashers. In a twinkling, Moses climbed up into the tree. The cicada squealed and in her excitement tried to jump down. But no matter how hard the cicada tried to run, she couldn't escape Moses. He was getting nearer, catching up with her. Then suddenly he got her. And with one gulp, swallowed her whole.